You're watching Muyiwa TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Muyiwa Ademola, a veteran Nollywood star, took to Instagram to reveal that he's actually having health problems and he has been hospitalized. He would not usually share such information with the media, according to the 49-year-old filmmaker, but he had to do so because of the responsibilities he had. Sharing photos of him on the hospital bed, Muyiwa wrote,
Thank you so much. Hold on a bit. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking about MD Basco. MD Basco. Having an amazing experience, amazing drift experience right now. Courtesy angle. Ladies and gentlemen, are you feeling things right about now? Oh shit! Ladies and gentlemen, Muyiwa Ademola doing a major drift experience right about now. Oh yeah.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Muyiwa TV.